Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a Reddit post using Canva. So let's get started. So first of all, go to Google Chrome browser, open the Google Chrome browser, select your profile. Now open the website, which is canva.com. You can search it on Google. After opening the website, just make sure you have to log in with your Gmail account. Then go to this option, create a design. Now in the search box, you have to type Reddit, Reddit, and you can see the Reddit post option here. Click on here. Now the best thing about Reddit post using Canva is it offers you hundreds templates, different templates which you can use to make your Reddit post. Now in the search box, type gaming. If you are a gamer, you can make a gaming post, or you can search pet, or okay, let me search for tech. You can type the subreddit which you want to create. For example, if you have a tech channel, you can search the tech, and you can type news if you have a news channel, news subreddit, and you can search up the different type of templates here. Now you can also type the festival, or you can search up just the templates you can getting on here in the template box. Search any template and you are ready to edit it. For example, this one is a template idea we got from the Canva. You can just change the text by clicking on here, and you can change the text font as well. As just select the text, can go to this option and click on whatever the font you want to put in your Reddit post. You can change the text size as well as text color. By selecting the text, you can change the color as well, and your color will be changed. After making all the changes, go to share option and click on download. Select the maximum size and click on download. So guys, this was the video on how to create a Reddit post using Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Take care.